So I'm going to take you through these 5 exercises that you can do anywhere in the home. You only need to spend about 5 minutes doing them, and it's probably the easiest way to get a full body workout. So first one is find yourself a door frame. I'm just using this one as an example. Take your feet as far forward as you can, each side of the wall. The further forward your feet are, the harder it's going to be. I'm going to grip hold, and then as you pull through your elbows, you want to squeeze underneath the armpits as if you've got the worst case of BO possible and you're trying to prevent anyone else from smelling it. So as you come all the way out, just pulling through nice and slow. You want to take about 4 seconds to go back, 4 seconds to go forward. And this is going to hit your arms and your back, making you stronger and ready for pull-ups when you can finally get outside. Next, we're going to go for the squat. This is an easier version of the squat, and it's a way to build up your strength and your posture. Hands placed on the seat, feet about hip width apart with turning your toes out. And what we're going to do is going to sit back nice and easy, and your chest comes up as you look forward. Clenching your bum cheeks together as if you've got a £50 note in between them and you're trying to stop your other half from taking it for their night out on the town. And come back over until your weight is evenly distributed. So coming back, pushing your bum back, chest looking up, coming down, and softly back over. Getting in those legs. Once again, keeping that 4 seconds down, 4 seconds up. Then you're going to come over, find yourself any space. You can do this on a wall, you can do this on the surface, and this is a push-up. You want to keep that bum cheek clenched still, tighten your stomach as if you're getting ready to take a punch. Hands in, and 4 seconds down, nice and easy, and 4 seconds up. A challenge for you to try and make it as smooth as possible, as if you're trying to spread butter on some toast or doing a nice bit of painting. Going all the way down and pressing up. If you notice, I'm keeping my elbows in, so elbows nice and close to the body. That way you get more muscles working. Pushing down and up. Arms completely straight, and even as you push through, try and squeeze your chest together. After that, I'm going to move you to the floor. We're going to get a different part of your legs working. So these are called bridges. Lay down, feet close to your bum. The closer your feet are to the bum, the easier it's going to be. The more challenging, you just move your feet further away. So start off easy, hands flat on the floor, and you're going to squeeze your bum cheeks together again, driving your hips towards the ceiling, and you go as high as you can and straight back down. Keeping it slow, keeping it steady, keeping it smooth. Driving your hips up as high as you can and then slowly back down. If you notice, I'm keeping my knees together. So imagine you're trying to squeeze a tennis ball in between your legs as you come all the way up and down. Some people find that the legs start trying to go apart, but you have to remember, this isn't a brothel, we're doing a workout. So keep those knees close together. While you're down here, you might as well do your abs and your stomach. So you're going to get your knees up, feet off the ground, and you're going to keep this 90-degree angle in your knees at all times. Get your fingers underneath your lower back and try and squash your fingers. So you're going to push your lower back into your fingers as hard as you can, and then that way you're going to feel your stomach switching on. So as we go through this, head back, and you're going to move your feet slowly towards the floor, and you're only going to go as low as you can without your back coming off the ground. If that means you can only go to here and back, that's absolutely fine. However, I want you to try and go as low as you can and keep yourself pressed to the floor. You might start to notice you're shaking and it feels like you're vibrating as if you're at a rave. That's okay, it's completely normal. Just build up to it nice and slow. Those are the 5 exercises you can do at home. They don't take very long and it just gets you started and builds you up nice and strong.